We all have that one tiny choppy 240p clip that we'd honestly rather pretend never existed, looking like it was filmed directly on an old potato. The challenge is turning that unusable footage into something sharp enough for a 4K timeline, and then efficiently spinning it into engaging short-form content for social traction. I'll walk you through the realistic ways to push that low-res file toward 4K, what actually yields results, and a smooth workflow that leverages tools you might already know. And crucially, we'll finish with a neat trick using Vizard to automate the content creation side, saving you hours in post-production. Let's start with the most obvious first move, opening up Adobe Premiere Pro to begin the basic upscale process. You import your tiny file, drag it into a proper 4K sequence, and then most beginners just scale the clip up to fill the entire frame, hoping for the best. While this puts your 240p image onto a 4K canvas, it's essentially fake resolution, because you are literally just stretching those original soft pixels wider. The result is predictably soft, often noisy, and definitely not what we would ever call true 4K quality for serious publishing. If you need a slight step up from naive stretching and already own Premiere, Red Giant's Instant 4K plugin offers a quick fix. You simply apply the effect, select the 4K preset, and export, as it intelligently uses interpolation and sharpening to enhance the image. The main upside here is that it's fast and stays right within your familiar Premiere workflow. But the downside is that it costs money. It's important to remember that even this method cannot magically invent true detail that was completely lost in the original low-quality recording. Moving to method 2, if you already subscribe to the Adobe Suite, After Effects offers the Detail-Preserving Upscale effect. Import your clip into a 4K composition, search for that specific effect, and then meticulously adjust the noise reduction and detail sliders. This gives you far more granular control over balancing the necessary smoothness against any remaining sharpness, which is a huge advantage. The big pro here is that it's essentially free if you already pay for After Effects, but the con is that it can become noticeably slow on older or less powerful computer hardware. Next up is a slightly hacky but free approach using GPU scaling settings built right into your graphics card drivers. For example, checking AMD Radeon or NVIDIA control panels for video image sharpening toggles can offer a minor real-time boost during playback. You then play the source file full screen and capture that upscaled output using a separate screen recording application. This trick is completely free and might give a small advantage for quick previews, but it's very inconsistent depending on your specific monitor and GPU combination. Furthermore, capturing a second generation like this introduces the risk of unwanted compression artifacts showing up in your final take. Now let's talk about the heavy hitter that truly changes the game. Topaz Video Enhance AI, provided you have the budget and patience. You import the clip, select the best suited AI model for low quality camera footage, set the output to 4K Ultra HD, and then you let the machine analyze. Be warned, this process is incredibly hungry on both your CPU and GPU, meaning a short clip can easily take many minutes or even hours to complete processing. However, the results are genuinely transformative because Topaz actually uses deep learning to predict and reconstruct missing detail, not just stretch old pixels. The primary pros are the best quality output available, utilizing true AI reconstruction, but the cons are the high cost and the extremely slow processing times for longer videos. Before deciding, it's smart to run a quick side-by-side comparison of the original, the Instant 4K, the After Effects Upscale, the GPU trick, and the Topaz version.
Instant 4K Satish.
4K offers a modest bump. After Effects is a solid free control layer, but Topaz almost universally wins on pure visual fidelity if you can afford the wait. If you're on a strict budget, After Effects Detail. Preserving Upscale remains a surprisingly strong contender that leverages existing subscriptions. Once you've settled on your upscaling method, bring that master file into Premiere for essential color grading and final polish. Use the Lumetri color panel to warm or cool the temperature, boost the vibrance just a touch, and apply a cinematic contrast curve. I also recommend adding subtle letterboxing by setting a vertical resolution within your 4K frame to simulate a professional widescreen crop. A crucial reality check is understanding that Topaz creates monstrously large files because the AI generates incredibly dense frame data. You must re-encode this master using efficient codecs like HEVC in Media Encoder to bring those file sizes down without sacrificing much visual quality. With our long video finally upscaled and color corrected, we arrive at the part most tutorials skip, turning it into content that actually performs. This is where Vizard becomes your logical next step, not as a replacement for upscalers, but as an intelligent content distribution engine. Instead of manually scrubbing through hours of footage hunting for the best moments, Vizard automatically scans for the most shareable bytes and engaging spikes. It will then auto-edit those moments into viral-ready clips, automatically generate accurate subtitles, and deliver them in every necessary aspect ratio for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. The sheer amount of time you save by not manually trimming and packaging dozens of clips is massive and immediately translates to more content output. So the new process is, upscale your long video master to look amazing, then hand that finished product to Vizard to handle all the heavy formatting work. But the automation doesn't stop at editing. The auto schedule feature will queue up and publish your clips based on the exact frequency you define. This gives you an integrated content calendar where you can still review, reorder, or adjust any clip across multiple platforms before it goes live. This shift in workflow matters because spending an hour on Topaz only to burn another 3 hours chopping clips manually defeats the purpose of quality improvement. Vizard compresses that entire secondary phase, finding highlights, formatting for each platform, and scheduling into a streamlined single system. For creators needing consistency without hiring a full-time editor, that automation layer is worth its weight in gold for maintaining audience engagement. Let's quickly compare the core tools. Topaz masters reconstruction, but is slow and costly. The Red Giant plugin is fast and integrated, offering a solid, quick enhancement right inside Premiere when you need speed over perfection. After Effects provides excellent detail control for free if you already own the suite, sitting nicely as a middle ground option. The GPU scaling hack is a free experiment, but it's too fragile and platform dependent to ever be a reliable foundation for professional work. Crucially, Vizard is not an upscaler. It doesn't try to fix the 240p source, but solves the next, often underestimated problem of distribution. You can have the most pristine 4K master imaginable, but if you can't chop it into a daily stream of social clips, your audience growth will stall out. My recommended pipeline prioritizes quality first. Run the master through Topaz for the best look, then re-encode to a practical file size. Step 2 involves bringing it back into Premiere for that professional color grade to ensure a consistent and cinematic overall feel across all clips. The third and fourth steps are all about automation. Use Vizard to detect moments and create formats, then review the calendar before scheduling for publication. Upscaling really is a blend of art and science, where cheaper methods get you usable output and paid AI tools nudge you closer to true detail. However, the real multiplier for your content strategy is automating the distribution, transforming one big effort into dozens of consistent social assets. For those on a limited budget, prioritize After Effects for the upscale and heavily lean on Vizard to conquer the tedious clipping and scheduling tasks. If maximizing visual fidelity is your absolute top goal and budget allows, then Topaz plus Vizard for distribution provides the best combination of look and reach. That's the complete breakdown of moving from a terrible 240p source to a streamlined, high-performing content machine. If you want to see a direct side-by-side comparison of all the upscaling outputs, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if this workflow helped you solve your old fuzzy footage problem, and subscribe for more practical guides balancing quality and speed. Thanks for watching, and go make that old footage look great!